Jill, we're heading out for our last safari drive. We have our wonderful driver. He's waving at us. There he is. He's the best.
He is the best.
And that's JM, or John Mark.
John Mark.
And Jill, we've had the most wild, we're sliding around in the mud.
Awesome.
It just rains, so everything's muddy. So we've had this incredible vacation. What would, can you sum it up in a few words?
No.
No?
There's so much. So much.
Yeah.
I can't say a highlight. I can't say a low light. Everything was amazing.
Yeah, and what was interesting, I felt like every day topped the last.
Yeah, exactly.
So, but it's all because we have an amazing driver. And I don't know if you've noticed, but because of my loving personality, Jill and I get a truck to ourselves.
For the third time in a row. Nobody likes Pumbaa.
Yeah, Pumbaa. All the kids called me Pumbaa, the dumb animal. All right, so this is the signing off the final Jill video as we head out for our final safari drive. Say goodbye, Jill.
Bye-bye, Jill.
We have two warthogs duking it out for the ugliest creature on the mesa, on the Mara, or on the savannah. Who's the ugliest? I am. No, you are. No, I am. You are. You are. I am.
Okay, these are the two cheetah brothers that are famous in this park. There used to be 5 of them, and now these are the 2 left. Okay, so now it's pouring. In a matter of minutes, it just started pouring here. She just doesn't bother them. They're just sitting in the rain.
This is a dazzle of zebra. That's what a herd, we would call a herd of horses, is a dazzle.
Oh, there's 2 going at it.
There's 2. Of course, a minute ago, one was trying to hump another one, so who knows?
Maybe the dominant males.
Maybe the male's fighting over the female.
Yeah, that's
Yeah. Oh, look, they're biting.
Getting to the knees, back on the angles.
A dazzle.
Better in a luau. Well,
What?
Enjoy your food. In the Gata de Vida!
Hakuna matata. Wageni wakaribishwa. Jambo bwana, habari gani? Mzuri sana. Wageni wakaribishwa. Mbele yetu hakuna matata. Hakuna matata. Hakuna matata. Hakuna matata. Jambo bwana, habari gani? Mzuri sana. Wageni wakaribishwa. Mbele yetu hakuna matata. Hakuna matata. Hakuna matata. Hakuna matata. Jambo bwana, habari gani? Mzuri sana. Wageni wakaribishwa. Mbele yetu hakuna matata.
We are on the last kind of safari. We're on our way to the airport. Say hi, Jill. And then there's Barbara. Say hi, Barbara. Morris, give us a wave. And then Jack up front.
Jack.
And then what we're doing, folks. But here's a hippo. We've been trying to get one out on the way to the airport. There is a very big hippo. I have the pleasure of flying with you again. For your own safety and comfort, please remain seated until the aircraft comes to a complete stop. The seatbelt signs have been turned off and the passenger main door is open. Before disembarking, Remember to carry all your hand luggage, and the rest of your bags will be offloaded for you and taken to Air Kenya baggage claim area. Once again, on behalf of Air Kenya Express, our captain Scott Edwards and the rest of the crew wish you a pleasant stay. Anchovy!